What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm about to show you 3 crucial things that every single PS5 user needs to do at least once a year. These simple actions will not only make your PlayStation 5 last significantly longer, but also help maintain its performance like brand new. So make sure to leave a like on the video and let's just get right into it. Alright, now first up, and this is a big one, every single PS5 owner needs to clean their DualSense controller at least once a year. I'm willing to bet that if you've never done this, just take your controller and flip it over. Take a really good look at those textured handles and you are absolutely gonna see some seriously gross gunk that's been building up slowly but surely. Now, it's actually super easy to prevent all that gunk from permanently turning your controller that nasty off-white color, and all you need is a simple paper towel, a little bit of cleaning spray, or even just basic alcohol wipes. Seriously, a quick wipe down can make a huge difference. And for those smaller, harder to reach areas, don't be afraid to grab a toothpick or something similar to really get in there and clean things out. Alright, moving on to number 2, and this is something every single PS5 owner needs to do at least once a year, removing both of those side plates and giving that cooling fan a good look for dust and buildup. Now, fair warning, if this is your first time popping open your PS5 after owning it for over a year, brace yourself because you might be looking at a seriously dusty situation. But the good news is this is totally normal, and honestly, a few quick passes with your vacuum cleaner can make a world of difference in freshening things up. Just make sure you're hitting both sides of the console as well as those removable plates, and a really important tip, don't forget those dust catchers inside. You can also go for an even deeper clean of the fan itself, which is a little more technical, but if you're interested in that level of detail, I've got a step-by-step video link for you in the description box down below. Alright, now for step number 3, the last but definitely not the least thing that every PS5 user should do at least once a year, rebuilding the system database. Now, to do this, it's super simple. Just hold down that power button on your PS5 until you hear 2 beeps, and that'll boot you into the safe mode menu. From there, just select the option that says Rebuild System Database. What this actually does is scan through your PS5's hardware and reorganize all the data. This is a fantastic way to help your PlayStation 5 running at its absolute best performance. You can also take it a step further and choose to clear system cache, which will get rid of any temporary system files that might be corrupted or even slowing your console down. But that's all there is to it. Now you know the 3 things that I highly recommend every single PS5 owner should do at least once a year to keep their console in top shape. If you found this video useful, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more PlayStation tips, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on another video.